Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Sorry about the light. I have a shoe haul to share with you today, and I am just getting ready to wash all of these shoes and prepare them to list in my Poshmark and eBay stores. And I recently, 3 weeks ago, I was in Phoenix, Arizona. I went to the Goodwill Outlets and I got 121 pounds of clothing and shoes, accessories. And I really wanted and thought I would share everything with you. But what happens is I bring it all home, I get it washed and processed and photographed and listed, and then I plan on sharing it with you and it sells. So I thought before I even clean the shoes, I'm going to share them with you. So be forewarned, these are not cleaned, they are not processed. Now I do have a couple pairs of shoes that were given to me by a neighbor that was cleaning out her house because they were moving, and they're different for me, so I thought I would give them a try. The first pair I want to share with you, this is from my neighbor. Guys, I am so sorry about the light. I really don't want to go set up in my office because I honestly need to get busy and get these washed, but these are Sorel boots. And I think they might even be vintage Sorel. They do have the inside, the wool inserts on the inside, but I've never seen a pair of Sorel boots like these. Now, these were really, really dirty when I got them, so I soaked them for like 24 hours in OxyClean, and they're still a little yellow, but I mean, look at those soles. The soles are great. There's staining that did not come out. Can you see it right through here? This one might be worse. I mean, I don't know if they're sellable, but I did take the time to try to clean them, and I thought, you know what, maybe someone will want these. I do like the fun, colorful print on these, so I'm going to give these a try. I'll let you know how they do. There's another pair from my neighbor in here, and I'll share them with you when I get there. I did find a lot of Danskos in Phoenix, and I think I picked up all of them that I thought I could salvage, but some of them are a little rough. I think these might be the roughest pair that I got, but the soles are really good. You have to check Danskos for rot, and the soles are all really good. These are a size 40. That's a great size. So I am going to take a leather cleaner and clean these. I will sanitize the inside and a little Doc Martens, and we'll see how they turn out. This is a really good selling shoe for me. So I think they are worth a little CPR to try to bring them back to their original glory. I mean, they'll never be original, but I think I can make them look good. Next up is another pair of Danskos. These are a Mary Jane style with the little buckle there. These are a smaller size, but Danskos normally have the size marked on the bottom, and these do not. So I won't make you watch me look for a size, but these are in really good shape, but I think they're a little smaller. I would say these are probably a 6.5, maybe even a 6. So they might take a little longer to sell, but they're in good shape. Next pair is a pair of black leather boots, and I picked these up because they're perfect for the current season. They're super dusty, so these need to be cleaned up. I think they're going to be really easy to clean. These are Talbots, a black leather Chelsea boot with that elastic goring there and just a almond-shaped toe. These are in really good shape. They just need to be cleaned. All right, more Danskos. That sun is hitting me, so it's tough work filming a video. These are Danskos. Look at this color. I don't know. I know my light's not great, guys, but this is almost like a wine color. It's really unusual. I haven't seen this color of Dansko. So this is the norm. I say normal, but this is the style that sells the best for me. The professional style slip-on clog, and these are a size 38 or 36. There's a lot of dirt on the bottom, so they need a good scrubbing, a little polishing, sanitizing on the inside, and these babies will be ready to go. All right, these shoes are kind of a Kelly shoe. These are Enzo Angelini, and so that's not like a great brand. I mean, it doesn't sell for a lot, but I couldn't leave these behind. These are a beautiful all leather, silver leather at that loafer. They do have a bit of a square toe on them. Look at they look like they're hardly worn at all. Someone wants these. Someone needs these. Look at that pretty detail. It's really a soft detail. And all leather, so I had to bring those. Do they have a price tag? The original price tag, Goodwill wanted $6.79. Now this pair of sneakers was given to me, and I do have the insoles. I took the insoles out to wash them. I've washed these shoes twice. These are Brooks running shoes. If you know running shoes, you know these are a great pair of shoes. I wasn't able to get them as clean as I like by just washing them. They've gone through the washer twice, and I have stain treated them, but they're in really good shape. The tread is in marvelous shape, and that is what most runners are looking for. I need to scrub the bottoms because they still have rocks in them. I hope these will do good. I have never sold Brooks running shoes, but I own these myself. They're fabulous. I highly recommend them if you're a runner. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm not super crazy about these shoes, but I bought them. They are mine, so I'm gonna try to sell them. This is what they look like. The brand is Impo, which is not a high-end brand. I don't even think these are leather, but they are a size 11, which I like to find larger shoes to add to my closet. They've got about 1.5 inch wedge on them. They're in really good shape. They're dirty. Goodwill only wanted $4.99, so that should have been an indication to me that they're not an expensive shoe, but okay, they're here. I'm listing them. We'll see how they do. Okay, these are dusty. All of these shoes have been sitting in my garage for 3 weeks, and who knows how long they were stored before that. These are a men's shoe. This is a big black leather boot, and I mean big. Were these a size 13? These are a size 14, and they need to be stuffed and shaped. But these are the brand Rockport. I've never sold Rockport. I know they're a good brand shoe. I don't know how well they resell, and I don't normally sell, I don't like selling men's clothing, men's shoes. I sell most of my men's clothes on eBay, but I think I'm going to list these on Poshmark. They're not real heavy, but I know they're going to be easier to ship on Poshmark. These were given to me by my neighbor. They're in great shape, a good brand, and I thought I would try them. Okay, here's an experiment. I saw these in the bin. I was drawn to them, of course. We all know that leather print is on trend. These are a cute wedge booty, and these are Madden Girl, I think. Yeah, Madden Girl. I don't know if you can see the inside, Madden Girl. So look at them. They look a little warped, and what I am going to do, I don't know, that's not supposed to be like that. No, I don't think so. No, it's not supposed to be like that. What I'm going to do is clean these up. I think this is faux suede. I don't think these are real leather. It's a fabric upper. So what I'll do is I'm still going to clean these with a suede brush, and then I'm going to stuff them to give them their shape back. And then I will use my steamer on it to take all this wrinkle out. And I think I can make these look really fabulous. Check out my Poshmark Closet if you want to see how these turn out afterwards. Okay, finally, a pop of color. Seems like there's a lot of black shoes in this haul. Sorry about that. Here's some hot pink suede leather, Lucky Brand loafers. These are just as cute as they can be. I know they're too small for me. They're a size 6.5, but they're in really great shape. So I'm going to give those a shot. And okay, I got boots because it's boot season, and these are Franco Sarto. It's a good brand. It doesn't resell for a lot, but this is a nice short leather booty, the Chelsea style with that elastic goring, and that's what these look like. These are a 6.5 as well. Next up is another pair of tennis shoes, and these are UGG. You can see it says UGG right here, and it also has the UGG emblem right there. These do have the shearling on the inside, and they are a suede leather. They do not have a white sole. It's almost like an off-white, like a cream-colored sole. So I thought these were really cute. I did wash them, so they are going to need to be brushed with a suede brush, but I could have done this because I used the washing machine. There is a little tear right here, so that's going to bring down the value a little bit. It's just in one side, but what size are you? I can't see. It's way down there, but I thought these were really cute. I got excited when I saw these because I haven't seen UGG sneakers in the thrift store, and the bins is a great place to pick up items that you might just want to give a try, see how they do. So UGGs normally do pretty well, but I don't know about sneakers. Now, I don't know about these either, but I got them. I brought them home. I paid for them. These are a 7.5. They're really dirty. They're gonna clean up great. These are Aerosoles. And what size? These are 7.5. They are patent leather. I don't think these are real leather. Are you real leather? Man-made materials. These are called the tail end. And this is what they look like. They're a slingback, Dior say slingback with a peep toe. I know these are gonna clean up nicely. Hopefully they will photograph well. They're in really great shape. They're just dirty. This is another new to me brand. It's a Birkenstock. It's made by Birkenstock, actually. This is the Betula sandal. And I don't know if you can see that, but look at them. They look a little curvy, don't they? It needs to be, ooh. I don't know, look at that. Right there. I don't know. I'm gonna clean these up. They are snake skin. Are you leather? I got excited when I found these because I did think that they were Birkenstocks. They're not. They are a size 41, so that's a good size. I'll clean these up and do a little research on them. Let me know if you've sold Betula. Let me know how they do. Birkenstocks are fire. I mean, but this is as close as I got. The soles are pretty good on these, the Vibram soles. So, I mean, they're in decent shape. Okay, this is the last thing in the box, and then we'll move on to a much smaller bag. These are a pair of leather knee boots, and they do have this gold detail, and these actually move, because I thought one was missing. Anyway, leather, just kind of a classic style leather knee boot with the interior gold zip. These are, I forgot who you are. These are Steve Madden. I don't know. Can you see it? You guys know Steve Madden, right? Who doesn't know Steve Madden? Anyway, trust me on this one. It's Steve Madden. These are leather, but they also, the back of them are a fabric, and it's a stretchy fabric, which is nice because they will be a perfect fit. These are the Reggie, and they're size 8. This is my size. I'm gonna sell these. Guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. We're almost to the end, so look at these boots. I love these boots. I have not tried these boots on, and I feel like they look like they would fit me. They look like a size 8, but you can see this is what the interior tag looks like. Do these look vintage to you? I don't know, but look at that square toe and that stacked block heel. And this is such a beautiful like tan leather, and they feel really nice. Again, this is another pair of Rockport. So I'm not familiar with this brand. I have seen this brand several times in department stores. I have never owned any for myself, and I just think these are such a beautiful boot. If you don't see these in my Poshmark closet, it's because I decided to keep them for a little while. I really like these. Oh yeah, did I tell you? I brought home a lot of Danskos. Now, these Danskos, they're dirty, and these Danskos do not have an insole. So what I'm going to do, or maybe that they have an insole glued on, I'm not sure. But what I am going to do is I've already purchased like Dr. Scholl insoles. So I'm going to put brand new insoles in these, and I will list that in the description. These are a size 39, and they are a light brown. Look at all that stitching detail. A Mary Jane style, and a really cute heel. Again, they're in really good condition. The leather is rough. The leather needs to be cleaned and conditioned and polished. I have no doubt that these are going to look great, but the original insoles are missing, so that could bring down the value a little bit, but I still want to find these shoes a new home. What's next? More comfort shoes. These are Born footwear, and this is a leather shoe. This is a blue suede shoe. It does have the studs on it. What size are you? Size 9. And these are in really nice condition. And I think after a brushing, after they are cleaned up a little bit, they're going to look as good as new too, because they really don't have much wear on them, but the soles are dirty. And these shoes I put in my cart and I brought them home because these look like a Kelly shoe. This is Indigo Road, and Indigo Road is sold at Macy's. These are not my size though, I know that. These are a 9.5, and just, I mean, they're perfect for fall. They're a black faux leather. These are vegan. They're all synthetic, almost like a wood sole on them, but they're in really great shape. They do have some creasing. Again, that creasing can sometimes disappear completely if you just stuff the shoe and then steam it. So I'm gonna try that. They do, you guys already know. Am I saying it after every single shoe? It needs to be cleaned. Okay, so I did not plan this, but the last two pairs are kind of fun pairs. This is the first pair, and look how cute these are. I am really, really hoping, I think these are like gardening shoes, and they kind of feel like they were used to garden. These are a rubber clog, and these are by Birkenstock. I was so excited when I found only one. I only found one of these, and I was laser focused on finding the other one. I found it, and oh, you guys, I was so excited about that. I mean, it's really, that is the thrill of the hunt when you're able to find the other one. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to scrub these up back to their original glory. Maybe so. And let me know if you have any experience cleaning all rubber shoes like these. Should I soak them? I mean, there's a strong possibility that I can make these look like new. Fingers crossed, okay? Okay, so these are probably the most fun cowboy boots that I have picked up. They're definitely my favorite shoe of this entire haul. So this is a cowboy boot that needs to be shaped. It is all leather, and this might even be ostrich. Look at the shaft on these. They do have crystals there and studding detail. Kelly green, light pink. I mean, this is such a beautiful boot, and look at the soles. They do not look like they've even been worn. I just think these boots are outstanding. You're not going to be able to see it, but just trust me on this one. These are by Red Ranch, and it says they're a size 6. I think you can even see it right there. It says they're a size 6. I tried these on, and they were a perfect fit for size 8. Perfect. So size 6 men's, maybe? Maybe. I don't know. But I do know, and I will put that in my listing, that these fit a perfect size 8. You can see both of them are in really good shape. I love to sell cowboy boots. They move very quickly all year round for me, so I was excited to find these. I think someone else is going to appreciate these just as much as I do. And I'll tell you what, I would wear these as well. If by chance these do not sell, I will definitely wear them, because you would have to have a good day if you are wearing cowboy boots like this. Am I right? I'm right. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the very end. Did I mention the cost of goods? 87 cents per piece. The Goodwill bins have been a really great resource for me to learn about new brands and to learn about reselling without taking a whole lot of risk. It's also so much fun. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and join me for another video. If you like reselling content, I make lots of videos, haul videos actually, of the things that I am picking up to resell in my online stores. And please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Guys, I'll be back very soon with another video to share with you. Thank you so much for being here. Blessings.